Again, stay tuned for our next video. We got a big announcement to make. Lots of changes because we have some substantial changes. Probably the biggest change to the channel we're going to experience in a long time. We're at Ala Moana Center in Honolulu on the island of Oahu. We have parents in town. We got Pops over here, Mom's in the back seat, and the little man is dead asleep. Now, there are big changes coming to the channel, which we're going to announce right now. But before I announce to you, I got to tell her, and then I got to tell them because they don't know what's going on either. So I'm going to give, hey Mom, want to hold this real quick?
Sure. Wait, which way? Which way? I'm facing towards me?
We can see.
Oh, there! You're going to have to cut that out. What? What? No, what? Okay. No idea. I want to hear. What? Is this on or off or what?
Well, I guess I can tell you now, Dad. Coming to Texas. I got a job.
Oh my gosh! Okay. Yes.
They offered to me today. Sweet! Got it.
So exciting.
Well, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
Oh wait, hold on. Now we get to work on my truck. A real 4x4.
What's going on, guys? Just another casual Friday here in beautiful Oahu, and it's just another beautiful casual Friday. What's up, dude? Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We're not in the car. We're on the west side of the island of Oahu in the Hawaiian island chain. Absolutely gorgeous Friday night. Just had a nice little sunset there. Silverado's parked right up at the edge of the beach. Can't really drive on the beach, not supposed to. Plus, I'd get stuck. Miss Dallas, what's happening? What's going on, bud? What's going on? So the news is, guys, that we're moving. We're leaving our beautiful island home. This has been a phenomenal experience. But here's the news, guys. Where are we moving?
Texas.
That's it, guys. We are moving to Texas. Actually, here in a few weeks. It's gonna come really, really quick, really fast. So, long story short, I got a great job opportunity in North Texas. We are, in fact, taking it. So, given that the Hawaiian Islands are, in fact, my ancestral grounds, and over here, New Zealand, Maori over here, we don't have extended family scattered throughout the islands. It's been a phenomenal decade getting closer to that extended family, but it's time to move on, and we're really excited to be moving back to Texas. We're moving back here in the next few weeks. That's the news, guys. We are saying goodbye to the beautiful Hawaiian Islands, our island home. We're packing up our stuff, and in the next few weeks, we're gonna be in Texas. Well, this 4,000-mile move is gonna be crazy, but we are very excited. But until next time, guys, we'll see y'all in Texas. Take care. Aloha. See y'all later.